Good morning, everybody. This is Ayman Gharbi. Today's lesson will be in Module 4, the world around us. We'll continue explaining our lessons, okay? Let's play. First picture here, we have travel. What does the word travel mean? When someone, for example, goes from one country to another. For example, I go to Qatar, for example, by plane, we say travel. Travel means the movement or moving from one place to another, from one country to another country. We use, for example, the plane. Book a hotel. For example, when you go to visit another country, for example, you go to Egypt, first of all, you have to book a hotel. You book a room in a hotel to stay there during your trip. Ticket, like the airline ticket or the boarding pass, okay. Then we have camera. We use the camera to take photos. Look here. Where are you going to travel to? I am going to travel to the KSA, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. So here the structure is are you going, which is be going to plus the infinitive. Just like here in the affirmative sentence, I am going to travel. Here we have going plus to, or going to, plus verb, which means a plan. Okay, you are planning to do an action in the near future. For example, I am going to travel to Tunisia, for example, which means it's my plan to travel there in the near future. So the form is am, which is auxiliary be. So we have three types. For example, we have am, is, and are. It depends on the personal pronoun, okay, or the subject, plus going to, plus verb. For example, I am going to travel. I am going to play. I am going to draw. We are going to visit the park. For example, we are going to visit my grandmother. Okay, here is be going to plus verb, which indicates a plan or an action in the near future. I am not going to travel to Qatar. Here we add not before going to express the negative form. I am not going to travel to Qatar. We are not going to travel to Qatar, and so on and so forth. So just remember that be going to plus verb, okay, to tell or to talk about something that you are planning to do in the near future. For example, next month, next year, okay, it's a plan to make or to do something. I am going to buy a ticket, then I am going to book a hotel. Okay, so the first action that he's planning to do is to buy a ticket. So we use be going to. I am going to buy. Then I am going to book a hotel. Okay, look at the form, which is be. I'm here. Going to plus verb. Listen, read, and answer the question. Amir's trip. Amir is going to travel to the KSA on Saturday. On Monday morning, he is going to buy his ticket. Then he is going to book a hotel. On Friday, he is going to pack his bags. On Sunday, in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, he is going to visit some museums. Then he is going to take pictures. On Monday, he is going to buy souvenirs. The first question, where is Amir going to travel to? Where? He is going to travel to KSA. Before the trip, what is he going to do on Monday? He is going to buy his tickets and book a hotel. So before the trip on Monday, Amir is going to buy a ticket and to book going to do on Friday? On Friday, he is going to pack his bags. Then during the trip, what is he going to do on Sunday? He is going to visit some museums. He is going to visit some museums. What is he going to do then? He is going to take pictures. He is going to take pictures. Number 6. What is he going to do on Monday? He is going to buy souvenirs. Now we choose and say with your partner, use the prompts in the box and your IDs. Here you have Malaysia, KSA, Egypt, Qatar, the United Kingdom, and Australia. These are names of countries. So, first thing here we have, where are you going to travel to? I am going to travel to the KSA. I am going to buy a ticket. So here, for example, before the trip, you can answer, I am going to buy a ticket. I am going to book a hotel. I am going to buy a camera. I am going to pack my luggage or my bags. I am going to clean the house, etc. So just apply the rule of be going to plus verb. This is before the trip. During the trip, for example, we can say, I am going to buy souvenirs. I am going to go to the gallery. I am going to visit some museums. I am going to go to the beach. I am going to buy new clothes. Where are you going to travel? This is the second example. I am going to travel to Egypt. I am going to buy a ticket. Then I am going to book a hotel. I am going to buy a camera. So here, in all these actions, we use be going to plus verb. Here, I'm going to travel to Egypt. I'm going to buy a ticket. I am going to book a hotel, and I am going to buy a camera. These are all plans that this boy is going to do in the future. Let's play. Read and complete. Use going to and the verbs in the brackets. Here we have what, okay, which is a WH question word, so which means this is a question. First here we have add are. What are you? Because we have here the personal pronoun you. Okay, what are you going to do? The verb is do, so we add going to plus verb. What are you going to do on Friday? What will we say here? I am going to buy a new camera. I am going to buy a new camera. Number 2, Hina. Here, we have Aisha. Okay, we use the structure of be going to plus verb. Is going to book a hotel in the KSA tomorrow. Is going to plus verb, which is book here. Number 3, here we have a hint which is a negative form. We have not. Okay, so we'll say the children aren't going to play in the park today. They are going to clean their room. So they aren't going to play in the park. They are going to clean their room. Is Amir? Amir here we can replace it with he, so we use is. Is Amir going to travel to the United Kingdom next month? Yes, he is. What are you going to do on Friday? Complete, then say with your partner. For example, what are you going to do on Friday? I am going to clean my room. Then, for example, I am going to visit my granddad. I'm going to play football with my friends. Okay, I am going to go to the restaurant with my family. Here, I am going to tidy my room. I am going to tidy is the verb, my room. Then I am going to do my homework. So this is the first activity that I am going to do. Then this is the second activity that I am going to do my homework. Now answer about yourself. What are you going to do on Friday? For example, I am going to go shopping. I am going to play tennis. I am going to visit my friend. What are you going to do there? I am going to buy new clothes. I am going to buy a toy, for example. What are you going to do then? I am going to have lunch in a restaurant. I am going to have dinner with my family, for example. That's it for today. I hope you really understood what I have been explaining today. If you have any comments, you can send me on WhatsApp or on LMS, and see you guys in the upcoming lessons. Thank you so much.